Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss the topic that is the vector product or cross product. The vector product is an operation that can be applied to two vectors that produce another vector. We also write it definition that is the vector product or cross product of two vector A and B is equal to the product of magnitude of two vector and sine of the angle between two vector. The direction of the product vector is A cross B is equal to A B sine theta and unit vector. Now we find the direction of the vector or cross product. The direction of the cross product is given by an unit vector which is a unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing the two vector. Here we take the two vector A and B vector. If we find it unit vector by right hand skew rule, that is the perpendicular to the plane, that is the n unit vector. Direction find by right hand skew rule. The rule is to rotate the finger of your right hand from the first vector to the second. The stretch thumb will shows the direction of the unit vector. Here if we rotate our right hand finger to the second vector B vector, then the thumb is in the upward direction. So here we write that A cross B is equal to AAB sine theta and unit vector. Now we can find the direction of B cross A. This is the B vector and this is the A vector. Now we find the B cross A. Now we find the B cross A by right hand screw rule. Right hand screw rule that will rotate the B vector to the B vector and the direction is downward. So the direction of the unit vector n is negative. So here the formula become B cross A is equal to A B sine theta minus n unit vector. So it can be written that B cross A vector is equal to minus A B sine theta n unit vector. Hence we can write that hence vector product is not commutative. So we write that A cross B is not equal to minus B cross A. Sorry. It is only equal when A cross B is equal to minus B cross A.